Hi, I'm Melanie Bridgeforth, President and CEO of the Women's Fund of Greater Birmingham. I hope you and your family are safe and well amid the COVID-19 pandemic. Our hearts are heavy, but I hope we find comfort in supporting one another. As our region and state's only public women's foundation, we work every day to build equity for women through funding and shaping change. Catastrophe magnifies and exposes fragile systems. This pandemic underscores the need for policy structures, such as paid leave and childcare, that the Women's Fund has always fought for. Our first step in this crisis was to protect the health and safety of our team. Our next step, listening to community. And we heard one thing loud and clear: save childcare. As of today, only 7% of licensed childcare centers in Alabama are currently open and operating. Some are closing permanently, which will have devastating long-term effects for women and communities. But together, we can change that. Communities across this state are joining forces, but until now, no coordinated response has specifically targeted support to the childcare industry. A group of local and state leaders, including the Women's Fund, are changing that. I'm humbled to announce the launch of the Rapid Operating and Relief for Women Fund, affectionately known as ROAR. This fund aims to do one very important thing: provide you with a way to support childcare centers for essential workers, because they need us. We've learned that reopening childcare centers in some cases requires simple fixes, from mattresses for children of first responders to lay their heads in overnight care, or providing pay to the loving childcare workers who are ready to come back to work and support those essential workers. By investing in ROAR, you're helping provide direct relief and aiding in the recovery of an industry that is one of the most critical infrastructures in our state. And you are also supporting women-owned businesses that are powered by women employees. Now, this is not simply a matter of resources. There's a desperate need for strategic coordination and technical assistance. Therefore, ROAR for Women also provides grant recipients with access to technical assistance through our strategic partnerships with agencies like Child Care Resources, the Jefferson County Department of Health, and the Alabama Department of Human Resources. The immediate activation of the ROAR for Women Fund is essential to protecting childcare centers during this crisis and for our essential workers. Will you join me? Give today. And together, let's build a future where power and possibility are not limited by gender.